He is conferred the Best in Filipino Award, Best in Computer Award, Best in Arabic Award, Best in History and Geography of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia Award, and he is awarded the Special Award in English and the Special Award in Social Studies. He is further honored with the Philippine Professional Organization Saudi Arabia Academic Excellence Award. May I call on the representatives from the Philippine Professional Organization Saudi Arabia to give the award. Engineer Aliu Carter M. Elampiro, PPOSA 2026, Council SPLE Chairman and PSME SA President. May we call on Dr. Abby Trinidad. Academic Excellence Award proudly presented to Dominic Rainier P. Banitet for his outstanding achievement in scholarly pursuits and exemplary overall academic performance, thereby earning the distinction as the top student of the graduating elementary school class of 2026. Given this 24th of April 2026 at the Al-Maj International School Philippine Curriculum, the Mom Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed, Ferdinand M. Torbus, UAP, President UAP, President PPO, SA Council 2006, Engineer Roberto E. Peralta Jr., PEE ACPE, President IIEE CSA PPO SA Council 2025. Dominic will also receive the Overseas Filipino Congress Academic Excellence Award. May I once again call on the representatives from the Overseas Filipino Workers Congress to give the award. First recognition moving up and graduation ceremonies. Dominic Rainier P. Banitet Academic Excellence Award given this April 24, 2026. Dominic Rainier P. Banitet will also receive the Aralinks Coding Education Excellence in Coding Award and the Rizal Studies Proficiency Award. He is recognized with highest honors. Congratulations to all our awardees. Let us give them a warm and well-deserved round of applause. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mrs.